Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. It is Thursday, December 19th, 2019. I'm in Wadsworth, Ohio. Just got out of the shop. It is 2 o'clock, 25 degrees. Thanks for joining me. Okay guys, we are rolling on out of the shop here. We got our service done to our truck. Got our broken piece fixed on the side fairing. Did a full look over of the truck, and we got a couple of things we got to address next time. Like my carrier bearing needs to be replaced, and found a coolant leak on one of the coolant lines to the turbo. There's a cooler line that goes to the turbo and to the actuator valve. Got a little bit of a leak there. So we got to order those parts. And next time I'm here, I guess we decided to rotate the tires, and we're going to check the rear wheel bearings. Might have one on the right front drive that's a little bit loose, because it got a little bit of a funny irregular wear on the inside of that one tire. So it's usually a wheel bearing problem. And the wheel bearings are still good because we're not leaking. You know, the wheel seal is not leaking. If a bearing goes bad, you'll get the wheel seal will be leaking and the oil will start coming out. So, a couple things we got to look at, probably in about 2 weeks, right after the holidays. Next week I'll be rushing coming up through here on Christmas Day, so plus I don't think Pat wants to work on Christmas Day. So we're getting back on the road here. We've got to go up through the town of Wadsworth here. And we got about 400 miles to Conklin. Should be in there by 9 o'clock tonight. Drop our loaded trailer, pick up an empty, and head for home. So we'll be home probably midnight. Probably right around midnight, because after I drop and hook, I need to go get fuel in the truck. Yeah, so far we're going to stick with the plan that we got going, picking up Sunday as early as possible, as early as I can get those magnets ready, and getting them dropped Monday late afternoon, early evening. And then I'm picking up a load up by Nashville, which will probably be ready Tuesday morning. It possibly could even be ready Monday night, but I wouldn't have any time to go anywhere anyway, so we'll pick it up Christmas Eve. We'll run just as far as we can Christmas Eve, and finish out the rest of that trip to home. Get home Christmas afternoon to early evening time, and then stay home for 24 hours, I guess, because I got to be up in New Hampshire Friday morning at 7:30, and then a second drop at Framingham, Massachusetts, and probably loading again Sunday for Huntsville for New Year's week. But don't know for sure yet. Alright guys, we are here at a parking area just west of Salamanca, New York, here on 86. And I stopped in here to take a little break, and I might as well do my 30-minute break while I'm here. So I've only got a total of 304 miles left, and that's including going to Conklin and then going home. So that's about 5 hours driving time, and then I need only another hour for my drop and hook and getting fuel in Binghamton. So should be able to accomplish everything in about 6 to 7 hours. So when I do my 30-minute break now, I don't have to worry about doing it later. So that's where we're at. Just kind of relaxing here for 30 minutes, and then we'll be rolling again. All right, guys, we are arriving at Conklin. It is 9 o'clock, 19 degrees here in Conklin, New York. And that's where we're going, right there on the right. Big Dick's Sporting Goods warehouse. All right, we dropped our loaded trailer and we're just kind of trolling the lot here, looking for a Landstar trailer. All right, out of there. We are rolling. We got our load off. Now we just got to go up to the TA, up the street just a little ways, and fuel up. And we'll be headed home. It's gonna be just about midnight, I think, by the time we get home. Put our safety belt on here, getting back on the road. Somebody's dog over there is not happy about this. All right, we got our fuel. Truck stop is, there's spots. There's spots in here. Yeah, shoot, there's spots. If I had to stay here, I could find a place to park. Okay, guys, we got 82 miles to home, and this trip will be done for this week. Appreciate everybody watching. I might have a short video for Saturday. I might make a short video Saturday when I head back up to Latham Saturday evening. So I appreciate you being here, and leave me a thumbs up on the way out. Comment down below and subscribe if you would. And we'll see you again next time on the Trucker John Show. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.